Dubai, the modern center of the United Arab Emirates. Known for the city without limits, but also known for its rich culture, nightlife, luxury, and koi. Today we visit one of the most valuable koi collections in, yes, you guessed it right, Dubai. Everything is possible in Dubai. In the middle of the desert where temperatures can reach up to 40 degrees, you will find one of the most expensive koi collections in the world. What this looks like in the desert? Well, Haidar takes us for a grand tour.
This is a walkthrough of one of our famous ponds in Dubai, where you literally have to walk through the pond to get into the house. This is a 75,000 liter pond. Has been built about 5 years ago, and it's went through a couple of upgrades. The original filtration system of this pond was a very primitive group of sand filters. With the first upgrade, we've upgraded it to a Profi drum, the Oazi Profi Clear. And initially it had two Oazi bio modules, which were then replaced by a 2000 liter K1 chamber. It's got two 330 watt UVs and 75,000 liter worth of pumps, two pumps from the bio chamber and one pump for the skimmer box. An island was built in the center of the pond, and it's surrounded by water from four directions. This pond hosts some of the most amazing koi fish in the Middle East. This tancho is a Sakai tancho from the bloodline of S Legend. She's a 79 cm fish. That's a Marase Hyutsuri, a Momotaro Jimrin Kohaku, that's 72-73 cm. That's a 98 cm Chagoi from Marase, 88 cm Showa from Momotaro, Tancho Senki from Sakai, and that is a Momotaro Showa, and all the fish running to get fed. And this is an award-winning Beko that won the Botan Prize in 2019. It's a Sakai Senki that was purchased in auction in 2018. Two-step Sakai Kohaku. She's now about 82-83 cm. Three-step Momotaro Kohaku. Maritime Kohaku from Sakai. That's a Tancho Goshki actually, even though it looks almost like a regular Tancho now, with still temperature being high. Three-step Sakai Kohaku and an Omasako Shiru.
Beside the koi, there's a very nice designed and constructed waterfall that gives an extra dimension to the whole koi pond and garden. So it's time to join Haidar and pick some of his amazing koi straight off his pond, measure them and look a little bit closer at them. These koi have been selected and raised by Japanese koi breeders. Each koi fish can be divided into a variety. Some breeders focus on one or more of these varieties and breed each koi into a pure work of art. These fish are also called nishiki koi, or better known as swimming jewels.
كل فترة نطلع السمك ونفحصهم نشوف طولهم نشوف مقاساتهم نشوف وزنهم كل الأمور هذه. هاي اسمها كوهاكو. كوهاكو بالياباني يعني red and white.
Haidar explains in Arabic about this great three-step kohaku to one of his guests.
Three-step kohaku فيها بقع حمراء وهاي تعتبر من الأنواع يعني جدا ثمينة.
The exact value of this koi collection is unknown, but I estimate it be several hundred thousands of dollars. A huge valuable koi collection that swims in a fantastic koi pond. Haidar is about to show one of his special koi. Haidar and his partner Tony founded their own company Koi Water Barn in 2018 here in Dubai. Catching the koi should be as careful as possible to minimize stress to the fish. Stress negatively affects the health of a koi. You also want to prevent a fish from being damaged. It is a big challenge to catch a large koi in such a large koi pond. Fortunately, Haidar is experienced enough to catch the fish as safely as possible. With a specially designed koi net from Japan, Haidar ensures that the koi safely is transferred to the measuring tank. It is time to measure how big the koi is right now. But for the one with a good eye, those have seen that the fish has a special pattern. Yes, a heart-shaped dot straight on the head. Haidar checks the sex of the koi. Female koi are more valuable and are also more popular because they generally grow bigger and are more beautiful than male koi.
Easy, good, easy. Hey.
How many centimeters this one?
She would be 80 now.
80, yeah.
Please subscribe to our channel if you like the video and want to see more videos about koi and ponds. At the end of the video, I've selected 2 special videos for you about the Japanese koi in Japan and of course more beautiful koi ponds around the world.